what's going on here today?
I'm jumping out of a plane.
Are you? Is that why we have you in this funny looking harness?
Yeah, with him.
With him? Who's he?
Hello.
You get excited?
I don't even know.
Just
yeah,
about.
so excited.
Yeah? Whose idea was this? Who had to talk who into it? This was your idea?
It was my idea, and now he's talking me into it when we're actually doing it.
Oh, okay. So it's your idea, in theory, to get rid of him, and then now...
So how you feeling today? Here's my idea.
Your idea? Gotcha. Alright, well, we're going to be going up to 14,000 feet, coming straight back down at 120 miles an hour.
Oh my gosh.
You getting nervous?
I've never gone that fast.
You getting nervous?
Yeah.
Good.
But I'm excited.
Excited? Awesome. Alright, well, have a good jump, and I'll see you in the sky.
Thank you.
Halfway up. You guys scared? No? Just excited, right? Well, do you have any last words for friends or family in case this skydive doesn't work out?
Love you.
And I gotta ask, who's the most important man in your life right now? There you go. You hear that over there? Alright, have a good time. We'll see you guys.
What'd you think about that?
That's the best thing I ever did in my whole life.
Nice job.
Yeah.
Thanks, Kenny.
So I know what you said in the plane, but would you do it again?
I would do it again.
That's what we like to hear.
Right now, let's go.
Right now, we can make that happen.
Congratulations.
Thanks, Kenny.
Yeah.
Right here? Look right here?
Quick pictures.
Awesome. What was your favorite part?
Oh my god.
Yeah.
All of it.
Everything.
All of it.
That was so cool.
Awesome. Well, thanks for jumping in the skydive like whales.
Thank you so much.
All right.